We believe and we understand, because we do it everywhere, that we will have, along with the city and the county, river-based recreation programming. We have an opportunity for marine services and maintenance. Might be competitions, which will evolve as well. We've taken a look at a hospitality component, maybe some rooftop entertainment overlooking the river. There's so many good things that we can do, from the arts, food, historic-related events. It's not. We like to look at things a little bit deeper than just, okay, we're coming in here and we're building something. It's a heck of a lot more than that. One of the really important things when you talk about financial impact, this has effectively been a non-performing property for a very long time. We have an opportunity to build a true and consistent tax base, which will fund decades of city improvements without requiring any additional property tax from the citizens. That's no joke. The benefits are designed for Georgetown residents, but we know we're going to have visitors, and those visitors will spend a significant amount of money supporting the Georgetown-based merchants, Georgetown employees, and all the other things that go on here in town. We refer to this, and this is what we do, it's a generational redevelopment that also has another overlooked, unintended benefit, and that's that areas start to redevelop, spruce up, change from this core where the redevelopment is. So, and we've done it, we're doing it for 40 years. Everywhere we do this kind of redevelopment, things around it start to get really nice. And I think it's hard to sit there and listen to what I'm saying, but when you physically see it with your eyes, it'll be something that's quite amazing. There's already activity and others looking to invest in Georgetown. And we're very, very aware that our job here is not to erase Georgetown's history, but to build on it responsibly, and that is effectively what we do. Let me just point out in closing, one final very important point here. We are hyper-local with all the professionals we use. We will be hyper-local with all the people that work permanently, part-time, part of the construction. This is a South Carolina-centric project, a Georgetown County-centric project, and a City of Georgetown project. All of the demolition engineering, by the way, we are not doing the demolition at Liberty Steel. They have undertaken that themselves, so unfortunately we have no tie or take any claim to the condition of the property, but we have every reason to believe that it will be cleaned up shortly. In addition to that, there will be the obvious environmental and engineering and remediation, architecture, design, and planning, civil and mechanical engineering, the construction trades, from skilled and workforce to every level of employment at every age of employment. And we are more than sensitive and more than aware of what's happened here over the last handful of years, and we take that seriously, we're sensitive to it, and we sure as heck understand it. All of this will lead to what we refer to as a shared prosperity for everyone. The risk is massive. We believe it is worth it, but to have a company interested to come in and invest the kind of money, time, effort, and manpower, this is your manpower, it makes a statement about how we feel about it.